this job today, and they want this pool hedge cut back and reduced by this lovely pool. So it's in pretty good shape. It's well grown after winter. There's not many holes or dead patches, but as you can see on top, there's quite a lot of growth which is not apart from the hedge. So you've got some brambles and some other plants that you don't want to see in there because it looks ugly. So that's got to go, and just cut it back. There is a fence in here somewhere. They just want to cut it back. So yeah, get rid of this growth, get it nice and boxed, making it look good, and then so it's going to be inside, outside, on top, and then on the outside there's a fence. So there's this chain link fence. It's actually plastic coated in metal. So I'm just going to keep this as a guide and go straight down and on top as well. So that's what I'm doing. Set the GoPro up, step ladder, and I'm going to do the shade bit first, and then probably get my step ladder. And we'll be using the stihl HS45, which you've seen previously, and I've just bought some Aspin too, so try that out. That's what they recommend. So yeah, we'll probably get some few GoPro shots and some phone shots of this. So that's one side done, and I'm just going to do the top bit now on this side, and then afterwards I'll go into the pool side and go up and on top as well. So it's done alright. I think my hedge trimmer needs a sharpen really. Looks good. I didn't discover any major dead bits. Just this hole here really, but looks good. They always come up nicely when you got fresh trim on them. So yeah, I'm gonna fire up the stihl, get the step ladder, and go up top. You'll probably get a head cam footage now. Okay, so that's the inside done. As you can see, all around this pool, and I'm going back to the top. So I've done a in cut there for the plants, and then same here all along, and then this bit here at the end. And they said to keep this growth attached to the fence, and it kind of suits me because I don't have to go and cut through with their trimmer, cut through the metal. So it's looking good, and they're happy how it is. It's revealed a few dead patches, but that's how it goes really. They're happy with how straight it is, and they said I've got a good eye, so it's always nice to have a compliment from the customer. So I'll go back to the top, step ladder, and the tarp's down just to keep the debris off the pool. And you'll see me do the top bit on the head cam, and just a lovely view, lovely working place here with the pool and the fields and stuff. So this is how it's going to look, hopefully, and get it matched up with this other side. So see you on the head cam. sun going down. I finished today's job of this bull hedge. Nice, and got a nice cut on it. My hedge trimmer just really needs a sharpen. I've just got to sweep up, don't worry about that. But it's just got, it's looking good. It always looks good when they're done. They're a pain to do, that's for sure, and to clear up, because they just go everywhere, like you can see. But it just looks, they just look great, and especially around here, with the sun going down and the nice blue pool, and that nice level cut. It looks great, and all done by eye. I mean, any bigger or taller, you will need a string, but I mean, I think it's gonna come out great. Some dead patches here, but I mean, that's what happens. But it had a decent growth on it. I do this one every year, and it's done all right, and it comes back, and it just looks great when it's done. Got the 2 cypress trees behind there. I didn't plant them. They weren't installed properly, planted properly. So I'm just going to clean up now. And so I hope you enjoyed today's video of just today's job. And we'll see you in the next job. Have a good one.